Hey guys, it's Shaheena. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys this cut crease eyeshadow look that I did with the All I See Is Magic eyeshadow palette from Colourpop. I know this is long overdue, but today I decided to do the tutorial. I know I look totally like I sound really weird because the last time I filmed a video was in June. Sorry, it was in January, so now it's July and now I'm filming a video, and this is kind of like something that I didn't do for a while. But anyway, so this is how the palette looks. There are makeup stains on it because I've been using this eyeshadow palette, and the eyeshadows that I'm gonna use are this one, it's called Pity Patter, and this one, it's called 1111. So these two eyeshadow palettes that I'm gonna use. And yeah, so if you want to know how to get this look, just keep on watching, and I hope you guys like this video. So let's get into it. Hey guys, so I'm back and we're gonna start off with my eyes. So I'm gonna take the e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. I'm pretty sure you guys know how much I've been using this eyeshadow primer if you've been watching my eyeshadow tutorials, or should I say makeup tutorials. Anyway, then I'm gonna take that eyeshadow palette and I'm gonna take that dark purple. I already told you guys the name of the eyeshadow previously, like a couple of minutes, not seconds ago. Anyway, so I'm gonna take that eyeshadow and put that all over my eyelid, like literally all over my eyelid. Then I'm gonna take a blending brush and just blend the outer crease area, because that's where you don't want to have a lot of harsh lines, and yes, you will get a lot of fallouts. I did my foundation way before I did my eyeshadow, so I had to go back and like fix my foundation and get rid of the dark purple eyeshadow that fell onto my face. Then I'm going to take the Super Stay 24-hour concealer from Maybelline. Honestly, I love using this to cut my crease because the best thing about this concealer is it dries out within seconds. So if you want to use it on your face, you need to be really fast because it sets. So I cut my crease. I did not cut it. I only cut it up to where my eyelid like creases, the first fold on my eyelid. I hope that makes sense. So I just fast forward that whole bit, and then I went back to blending my eyeshadow. And also you might see that I did add the purple color on my crease. Then I went back to that All I See Is eyeshadow and I used that peach pearly glittery eyeshadow. I first used it using a eyeshadow brush, but then I hated it because the eyeshadow brush did not collect the color, so I decided to use my fingers, and girl, you can just see how amazing the color is. Then I picked up the fallouts, and then I did my eyeshadow, well, the other eye off camera, and then I took the L'Oreal Paris mascara. Honestly, I love this because one coat of this, like, it divides all your lashes separately and makes them look gold. Okay, so this is it for the eyeshadow. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share and subscribe, and I guess I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye. By the way, I got a new outro.